Line Minute. I'm here at the Sherwin-Williams Show, and this time we're going to be talking to Great Lakes Laboratories. So I've got a great conversation here we're going to have about cleaning floors. Stay tuned. So folks, here we are with Ron Hoge, the president of Great Lakes Laboratories. Thanks for joining us today. So tell us a little bit about what we're going to do here with Great Lakes Laboratories and Mighty Line Tape and how people should clean their floors in preparation for it.
Sure. The problem with floors is gravity. Eventually, everything ends up there. So you typically run into two types of problems. One type of problem is the floor is contaminated with grease and oil. And for something like that, we typically recommend our extra muscle pre-paint cleaner, heavy-duty, water-based, biodegradable. If possible, use that product in conjunction with hot water. Why? Because hot water thins out the oil and makes the product work better. The second situation is where you have a very smooth floor. And in that case, we recommend using our Clean and Etch, which is phosphoric acid base, with a cleaning agent in it. It will clean and etch the floor in one operation and does not need to be neutralized. It does need to be rinsed. And if there are any extenuating circumstances, contact Mighty Line regarding the specifics.
That's great. And what about standards? I know there's some international standards that deal with environmental. What could people pay attention to if they're looking at this from a standard standpoint?
Two things, I think. It's beneficial to have products that are biodegradable. In the United States, there's no regulation of that term. And we look to the European standards, which say it must degrade at least 90% in 3 to 19 days. Our products exceed 95% in that period of time. Unfortunately, a lot of people use environmentally friendly, which doesn't really mean anything. So that's basically one aspect of it. The other thing is the phosphate content of the product. In many cases, the phosphate is very beneficial in cleaning, but if people have their own water treatment facilities, they may not want a lot of phosphate in there. So we have a product that is suitable for that as well, the kill phosphate.
That's great information. And Ron, if someone wants to get a hold of someone at Great Lakes Laboratories, what's the best way to get information and learn more about your products?
Call 800-888-1105. That will ring directly to my cell phone. If it's busy, I'll call you back.
Wonderful. And what about your website? What is that?
GreatLakesLaboratories.com.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Ron, for taking time with us today, and we look forward to seeing you maybe on a future Mighty Line Minute. Take care. Thank you very much.